What if I told you that the smartest investors, the ones who consistently outperform the market, often do something that feels completely wrong? What if I told you doing nothing could actually make you richer? Most people lose money not because they don't act, but because they act too fast. Today I'm going to show you a powerful rule used by high-level thinkers that can literally save you thousands, maybe even change your financial future. And today I'm going to show you why that strategy works. It's called Falkland's Law, and it says, when it is not necessary to make a decision, it is necessary not to make a decision. Simple, but dangerous if ignored. Because we live in a world that pressures you to act fast, decide now, jump on opportunities. But here's the truth. Urgency is often the enemy of good decisions. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down investing, money, and wealth building in a way that's simple, practical, and actually fun. Let's talk about what this looks like in real life. You see a stock trending. Everyone's talking about it. You feel like, if I don't act now, I'll miss out. So you jump in. And what happens? You buy high. The hype fades, the price drops, and now you're stuck. Not because you made a bad investment, but because you made a rushed decision. This principle was used to avoid unnecessary military decisions, but it applies beautifully to investing. Imagine two investors. Investor A reacts to every headline, trades constantly, feels pressure to always do something. Investor B waits, observes, only acts when necessary. Over time, Investor A loses money through mistakes. Investor B builds wealth through patience. The difference? Not intelligence, not income. Discipline to not act. Here's the truth. Most investors underperform the market not because they're unlucky, but because they're too active. Here's where Falkland's Law becomes powerful. In investing, you don't need to react to every dip. You don't need to chase every trend. You don't need to always be doing something. Sometimes, the best move is no move at all, because waiting gives you more information, better timing. Clearer thinking. Humans hate uncertainty. We hate feeling out of control. So when the market moves, we feel like we need to respond. But here's the psychological trap. Action feels productive, even when it's harmful. Let's make this practical. Next time you're about to make a decision, ask, do I need to decide this right now? If the answer is no, stop. Wait 24 hours, reevaluate. You'll be shocked how many urgent decisions suddenly feel unnecessary. Apply this to investing, big purchases, business decisions, and watch how your mistakes drop dramatically. We live in a world where information is constant. Notifications, alerts, hot takes, predictions. Everyone is telling you to act. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Wealth isn't built by making more decisions. It's built by making fewer, better ones. And sometimes, the smartest decision you can make is no decision at all. So next time the market dips, or a headline scares you, or your friend tells you about the next big thing, remember Falkland's Law. If it's not necessary to make a decision, it's necessary not to make one. If this changed how you think about money, if you want to invest with more confidence, more clarity, and less stress, check out InvesYou, the platform designed to help you build wealth the smart way. Hit like, subscribe to InvesYou, your wealth, your way, and comment. I choose patience, because the moment you stop reacting is the moment you start building real wealth.